When you go out, where am I going to go? I must greet you. You will do. What talk better one? Man, we do. Share this video, guys. We are fine, bro. Iye-eki no one no. Monica no. Lolo no. What said that girl say no. Mama be from today we are going to talk about Destiny Ebagua. Destiny Ebagua. As for Edo people, Edo musicians, Destiny has been sacked. You understand? So when we sit down, we'll talk. You understand? Yes, now we'll talk. We'll talk to Destiny where. Hello? I must greet you. Even what do you I'll talk better. So what's the most? Okay. My what the brand my original. Me that like me. My aqua so vekri gramarine. Water. Okay, okay. The mosa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. The mosa. Water. Okay. Acabou. The mosa. I was great you. Bless you, sir. Exactly. The mosa. Okay. Okay. The mosa. Bless you. Exactly. Acabou. Aí, ó. Aí a canha, ó. All right, bros. Dom. Vamos lá. Essa aí, vamos lá. All right. Ebagua, Ebagua. Aku sudah Ebagua. Okay. Vamos lá. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, no, last time, is a broadcast, continue broadcast. All right, sir. All right, sir. Vamos lá. Water. Mano, verso. One of my power, you come from Nigeria. Share this video, guys. Matthias. Mom, what's it? How are you? Brother, sweet me. Brother, sweet me. Get what? And I go tell her why. I call you the man. When I call Destiny Ebagua, Esther Edokpayi, better sit down. The one is here now, and when you hear, I come your one hour say no one. Oh, Osaya get you. When I share this video, go give Destiny Ebagua. All those so-called Benin big boys them for Benin there. Oh, want to the red to the music industry. I'm working on. Hey. Later, if we don't shoot for this broadcast today, we'll do this like 3 broadcasts. You get my point now? Get like 3 broadcasts I want to do today. Like what I feel kadi. That get worry okay. Osaya there and in Igbo family. We see the close one. But I help me tell Precious Osaya there, the former girlfriend of Omobalasi, may create more blogging page. We're going to blog my video. We got to wear them. Social media presenter. Obia Bena Wado. Sweet water this TV. Obia Bena Wado. Precious man. What am I doing? Euro. Precious Maggie. Power up on your screen, guys. Let's go there. Maria. What are you Ebagua? Ebagua. Osagwe no Ebagua. But say Now there you go. Oh way, more. Oh way, do what I'm telling you one more. Oh, you picture so. 60 BG. Oh, I'm this is my lovely wife. I'm a point. I'm a point. What's up? All right, what's up? No. Ciao, amore. Boom. Iye-eki one. When my we are drop it, Ebagua. Here drop it. Oh, we never go Ebagua. Oh, the destiny so light. Destiny so light. Oh, destiny so light. Destiny you they do the thing. But when Ebagua and Nigo and Mose. Destiny now you they do the show. The destiny. Tare. Iye-eki come on one of Caritas. Iye-eki come on one of Caritas. Iye-eki come on. Sole. If you go man. Philo of Caritas of Roma. If you know of Caritas, you go. What go we have a Philo? Oh, so Philo of Caritas, Philo of Roma. A Philo of Roma, go. A pay one year, no. What I have on if you will. I'm a piano, no. A Philo for umenwan, no. Philo of Caritas. Umenwan when you do. Soyez Philo. Ça fait quoi you way? Soyez Philo. Rien, mais. Philo piano, I'm a piano. Philo of Caritas, you know. Philo of Caritas, you know. I'm a piano, filo, piano. Oh. Respect to filo. No, yeah. The passport to get in the UK. Am I ever okay? Oh. Umenwan, where do filo go? Filo no end up with a caritas, no. Fanny go. Oh. Filo caritas. Filo caritas. Filo caritas aroma. Filo caritas aroma. Filo caritas. Filo no rompon. Rompon dos pico. The caritas are in my head on you. If you look caritas, you are you go. If you're a mama west, you go filo. If you're a mama west, you go filo. Filo caritas for you. I work on. 52 years, no, 52 years, nothing to do your work. A photo of caritas now. Filo of caritas, filo, filo. The way filo, filo. Filo piano, I'm a piano. Filo, filo now. Not the passport again. Italian passport away. I ain't getting the caritas. Anna, why if you could move? I call him a video call. Ajose. We're oh yeah, we're coming. Ajose. What by the Ebagua? It can be like that. Ajose one of France. Ah, but what are you winning? I fancy they are characters. They are characteristics. So that's what it says. Whack. If you know the act, you filo piano, I'm a piano. Oh, claro. Huh? Ude. Wado. Baya wase o, papa wase no, we know we are. Baya wase o. All right, my people, greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast who are most to talk for national peace. So let me off my speaker. Hey God, you don't boss, you don't set. Like this now, they break everywhere. It don't yamato for it for Benin as we talk now. Everywhere raw. Oh God. Because I tell myself at the beginning of this year, on New Year Day, I give them the title of this year. It go raw. Everywhere go raw. Peking go beat mama. Hello. Mama go saga Peking. You get to my point now. This year goes to raw. And so you raw they go. Government it goes everywhere goes scatter. Okay. Now my people, I greet you all with better style. I'm gonna use English and Benin to diagnose this broadcast. For those of you who don't understand Benin, in case I switch enter Benin, you go ask your landlady or you ask your neighbor. You get to my point now. Okay, right now, right away, the person who want to talk about today Destiny Ebagua. For you who never know, say Destiny, they don't sack Okpero. His Excellency Senator Monday Okpero, the governor, the executive governor of Edo State, has sacked one for our brother, one for our terrorists, one for our visa fraudster, Destiny Ebagua. But we're not happy with the sack. Me, particularly, I am not happy with the sack. But before we talk to Okpero, we will talk to Destiny first. You understand? We will talk to Destiny first. But as the sack Okpero so, as the sack Destiny so, one side, it still makes sense. He wants to give one big Destiny, it still gets sense. Now, if you follow who get grace, you can never be disgraced in your life. Hello? Is somebody hearing me? Today, I sit down and carry barrel and paper. Because if I dey talk, I don't want to give you the points. And any point me I say make una jot down, make una try jot them down. Because me are the rights, the writer. Because in every nonsense, there is always a sense. If you marry a woman who get grace, you can never be disgraced. If you marry a woman that carry grace, there is no way you will be disgraced. Things going to go well for you. You go forever there, excel. You don't always go backward. You always go forward. Because the grace of that woman will cover you. You know, is somebody hearing me? When you are under the umbrella of grace, you can never wear disgrace. Pray not to beat you. Now, destiny. Married to her word. Things they move well. You start to the date Esther. Try to pick Esther from gutter, from scratch, from inside dirty that dustbin. Now you for pick Esther from. Now I will post one guy here. Because on the listening, we are going so. I'm going somewhere. This is Osuyi Baba Enoma, a young boy from Edo State, a star from Edo State. This boy now win Adult Hunt Talent, organized by Destiny and the wife Esther Edokpayi, the lady of evil. Now, this boy claims the winner. And according to what they said on the poster, on the big board, the winner will go home with a Toyota Camry 2022 model, a brand new Toyota Camry 2022 model, 3 million naira, and a 5 years record deal. Now, Edo sons and daughters buy the form. It is not free. The talent hunt was not a free show. It was a paid show before you enter. Ticket and everything. They make a lot of millions from this show for Edo State. They also go further. Now, this is the car. This is the car that this boy won. The boy I showed just now. This is the car that he won. This is the car. This is the total car where the boy win. This is Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State. And this is Esther Edokpayi. This way how they use the Deputy Governor office to scam Edo people. Some of the things that lead to the sack of Destiny. Now, listen now. Oh God. Hey God. I'm not where man and the make wear more. I'm not where man no. The make wear more. This is Destiny Ebagua, and the Deputy Governor is Excellency Dennis Idaosa. Now this, which many of you know, due to the little power where Destiny just gets from government hand, boom, it don't the booga. Say you see me the booga, oh lo lo lo, let me hear you, oh lo lo lo, booga oh. Booga, oh, let me see you, the booga. Oh, lo, let me hear you. Oh, lo, booga. Oh. Now, we should also go further to also listen to a video. We will not play that video of one of our sisters, Salikut, where just sing one music, where blow bini, where be say the show where the girl do. They call the EFCC from Abuja for that girl, which is Destiny Ebagua. Anything where you sow, you must reap. Now, Destiny, as you have been sacked from the government house now, how do you feel? How they beat you down? How do you feel now? Maybe help me ask Destiny Ebagua, how do you feel right now? Can somebody help me with my mic? Where is my microphone? The number one, the champion. Oh God. Oh. Hello, Mr. Osarugwe Ebagua Destiny. Please, can you help tell us how do you feel right now? Oh, God. Now that you have been sacked from the government house, how do you feel? Can you tell the public how do you feel? Destiny Osarugwe Ebagua. Destiny Osarugwe. Destiny Osarugwe. Destiny Onyanue. Destiny Osarugwe Ebagua. Destiny Osarugwe. Festus Alehere, EBS TV News. Oga Sambod. Why? Another. Oh, God. I'm like crying right now. I don't want to follow this government. You don't reach time I could tell you. Hello. Your Excellency, sir. Senator Monday Okpeworo, thank you for the sack, but we don't agree. You must employ a backer because I'm a criminal. Because as you sack, and I not get other work to do not to face the Europe people. And to carry your criminal mentality, your criminal brain, call the fraud people with visa fraud. Or God, you go employ this man back because you don't know the help you do for us. As you give this man work since then, we get peace for abroad. Oh God, especially me, I get peace. Oh, man, help me to your friend. Your friend, he fraud me for visa. He said he go give me visa. He collect 8,000 euro. He collect 8,000 naira. He collect 20 million. He collect 5 million. But you don't know what you do for me. Oh God, I will call the cop. We pass for one hour me and go whoa. Oh God, you go employ this man back. You don't go sack him. You go nowhere. You go employ Destiny back. We not gonna be here. We not gonna go. You must tell us. Destiny, you must kind of go back. Una see life. Power is not forever. Now, let's speak some points. Power is not forever. When God give you car, that car, God not bless you with that car alone. God bless you with that car to also bless people life. If God give you children, God did not bless you alone with that children. He also give you that children to also use and bless other people. That's the reason why our Benin people use and make parable say, I won't buy biomo. Whether good or bad, if I see your picking, I'll say, Alpha, give me water for there. Now help. Where your picking already be to me. Your picking already become a blessing to me. One person know the born picking. Anything where God bless you with, don't feel say, now only you get that thing. Now for other people, we hand never still rich. We don't know what pay me for this whole issue. Why are they happy? Are they mock Destiny? I supposed to use my platform, stand for Destiny, fight for this matter. Who they on the ground of this matter? Who will not comments? They're going to revoke, come back again to the office. But me, I will not do that. You know why? I want to make it test it how it is. You understand? It was power trunk. You see this life. You see this life. Not be everybody supposed to reach. Not be everybody supposed to get money. I am happy to tell say Destiny Ebagua be sacked from the office. I'm so happy. I'm giving myself happy. Joy. And the drink beer puts. The pain, the humiliation you and your useless wife give to Osuye Baba. You see how God they pay you. Not be every head that they temper with. Don't be every head that they temper with. When I see life, Esther Edokpayi, I know her too well. I know Esther too well. That was why I was just looking at this woman all this year, because Esther don't suffer. Bro, share this video. Esther don't suffer for years. This little boy, may I put a picture here. Deceive Edo people. They deceive this boy, deceive Edo people. For this boy won't right. Esther Edokpayi, now poor returned home. Esther for comment. Woman will suffer. Different men, born for different men. For that Benin, to the extent this woman go mad. She called the colo. Esther was now a mad woman. They chain Esther leg, give native doctor. Men native doctor treat Esther. The same native doctor impregnate Esther inside madness. Wait a boy, last baby. The last baby waiting with Esther. That boy waiting for you. The boy there for Canada now. The same boy will give Anita chamber of truth. Where Anita not throw away. Another person that give out to now. That boy na native daughter Esther born for. Inside madness, Esther got pregnant. Esther 4 children, the 3 children were decide. In Mama Esther mother, now he give those children which. This is not the story where everybody know for Ubeko police station, Ubeko primary school for upper. These children confess life for upper that year. When they use those time they say, when they use bombs, they change people which. Esther children, those girls waiting for Highland, they confess. You see, anything what you do for this life, do it well. There is no way, no harm, my person go spoil your name. If you're on your right way, God must surely vindicate you. God will surely bless you, must surely put your enemy to shame. If you know, say you did on your right track. This Esther go do social media, go do nice to people. Out of social media, she's a beast. Support by Destiny Ebagua. And Destiny know all these things. Do you know, say, I was once a friend, because I don't be their friend again. You understand? If people go complain, give me for social media, say, Destiny fraud them, of visa fraud, I go say, okay, no worry. They go say, to the extent, even Monica, they direct people, they call, they give me. Because Monica was their enemy. 2019, Monica disgraced when they go UK. So, based on the content, say me and Destiny are party. They'll call the direct, those people, they call, they give me. I don't need to come out for live video, call the beat Destiny. I'll call Destiny indoor. Bro, how far? You understand? What do they call? Say blood, my blood. Blood, how far? What's the level? What is the shop? How far? See what happen. One woman come give me control. See me, how far? See. You go say, what do you need money? I'll tell the money. I'll say, okay. If Destiny deal with Esther, you will never find peace for that complaint. You go say, when you go, Esther go say, make me go saga them. Say that money don't be. Esther go the hype Destiny. It goes to me go saga them. Say that money don't be. But if Destiny there with Edward, oh, may God bless Edward. May God Almighty and our ancestor bless Edward. And may God give Edward better husband. Because Destiny not better husband. Destiny don't corrupt too much. Destiny don't already finish as a man. Esther don't finish him. This won't be saga, but not reality. That's why someone carry barrel and paper. If I talk, pick some points where you go jot down. I said, if Destiny there with Edward, Destiny go want to show in a man. No, don't saga me. Yes, saga me. If you want to saga me, go saga me. The guy go say, only not be like that. Calm down. Which is Edward. Edward go say, only not be like that. Calm down. Calm down. Move so talk. Na inside house, if call you move talk inside house, I beg. No matter they can't go social media. Don't calm Destiny down. I go always make a conference the person in question. Destiny go say not agree. He go say no, I don't want to be comfortable. You don't carry this one. I go give Monica. You don't carry I go give this one. I'm not want to come with that. You know what, agree? Edward go calm this man down. What did this man say? You not go do it for? Destiny go do it. That is Edward for you. This one I'm waiting at the experience. I have the audio. Not be saying should be because I record everything. You understand? I just record everything. I know how Destiny behave. To the extent me and Destiny don't get down for WhatsApp call. Now why I dey inside bed when that matter call? Because this they made me say, if I ask, are you mad? Babola will be here. Who fraud the one who call you? You tell me I go live video. If I want go live video, I will call you. When he see the Medi, he calm down. He say, every only not be like that, not be like that. The way you want to behave, if you can't go give Monica not call her, Monica call the sort on social media. Now you can't go give me now. I say, my friend, you can't go give Monica, but I'm when they talk to you so. I need to give this my money. That was the woman where Edward return money go give. When make her remove Edward from Edward page. That one was a best friend to Edward. That woman matter the one cause quarrel between me and Destiny that time. She just quarrel for SARS. 2 years not here on social media. Destiny arrogancy Now, war against discipline. Once, especially when you deal with Esther. If Destiny deal with Esther, forget her. Anything you can't go give Destiny, but if you deal with Edward, just be lucky you call Destiny when he's with Edward. My brother, you go know say that woman, that really get house. Edward go meet you in the matter, calm down. You understand? He go promise you, normally you, normally Edward don't talk. You will carry matter, you will get joy. You will get joy. So you will carry matter, go give her, and his wife talk put. But I go, I sit back, and we forget it. Now I got more. Esther, a very poor woman, poor Richard woman from a poor home, poor background. Oh yes, so I'm you you go no kick back. God can bless you. God can use destiny. Put light into your family. Not just only to Esther, to the entire family of Edokpayi here. God can use destiny. Ebagua. Ona yali buy Edokpayi. Both the children, both the brothers. Now, Esther, owewa ye gweno, gia ye fiyi. Esther, they come small. They grow up, they grow small. The good friend will stand with destiny. Somebody like Akobe no munigo, Eribiwa. Esther, make sure say destiny gets separated from Eribiwa. Esther, make sure say destiny and Akobe become enemy. First target we do. First shot we first shoot. Pim. Based on the poor child home where this woman for come, people they always get sympathy for her. And the things where they sing. Edo people, they always, because I love my Edo people. They know how to pity person. No matter what you don't do, they go pity you. Still stand by you. Make sure they lift you up. That's Edo for you. That was how we all raised up. 2019, when this girl they come UK, first time when they enter abroad, they can showcase the talent. Monica can play audio. We make all of us cause say Monica a bad person. We can't look Monica and say Monica and I be the wish for this business of our space. Or none of us know where Monica they talk they go. None of us know where Monica was driving to. We can't see Monica as a wish. All of us could bash Monica back to, including me when they talk so. I know how long I take saga Monica for that audio. Where Monica play. You understand? All of us weakness with happen. 2021 when it was coming back, us no, this woman must succeed. This woman must enter Europe. This woman, we must show her love. Most of all the presidents they post in video, they promote Esther. They promote Esther because of the pain and the humiliation they saw happen for 2019. 2021. Now this woman take come Europe with a tear. Tour the whole Europe, Spain, France, Germany, Austria, tour around. We take make ye money. Who say ye money I make? Because you go na ya make be you go. My people, this one make a lot of money. When I listen, if I forget, I go to remember now. To the extent he built house. God bless her, he built house. He carried 3 of his children enter UK. The senior son for inside, they deport and go back to Nigeria. 2 run go Highland. Go seek for asylum for Highland. If you check the 2 of the 9-year-old of the Highland, or anything where you sow, you go repent. Look at children where carry go Highland. They fight for man. They're born and they become single mothers, just like their mother. That's which way follow they go so. You see all those children they give wish for small picking, even though they don't old, it's in the worry them. Now, Esther Edokpayi, they come you a Highland. Destiny can't call and tell and say, on no condition, if you reach Highland, no saga umenwan. You feel saga any other pest presenter, but umenwan no saga. Due to that witchcraft where they with her so, he won't see the reason why his husband won now mercilessly, making no saga umenwan. Will lead to the saga. Unfortunately, it can't be when we say no to Europe tour. Now, if to say that's Destiny was calling me indoor during that Euro tour, Destiny was trying to call me so that He not go reach his wife side. We not go measure his wife. I not go saga his wife. He was trying to play that game with me. Which mean now, I let this know. I said, Destiny, this one don't be saying now me. They do this thing. This one are people they complain. And they will complain of your wife. They will send me receipt of Esther. They give Esther show. Esther not going to show. Send guests. He says small guests go. You understand? So, you know, if you speak, I cover up for you for this one. This one not going to cover up for you. I go expose your wife. We talk for his house. To the extent, you have to call Timmy. That's the call Timmy. Timmy have to call. Timmy not get my number before. First time was Timmy, they called me. Timmy called me, beg me, talk to me. I say, Baba, this one not be me, they talk. Now everybody for the diaspora people, they talk, say no to Europe talk. I get the platform, and I use the platform, they talk. It not me say that me bring and come out. You understand? So, okay, Steve is okay. What you want to talk now? He want on life so that people go feel they call in, and he go see invite me in. Now, but me and they go somewhere, they go baby birthday. So you get birthday where they go anchor for this aroma. So if I quick come back, I go join you. It's okay, no problem. Before I know what will happen, I said, I also say, Destiny don't deal with a power steaming. The men people, even people they comment for the comment section, Destiny they will insult it. They say, block on now, block on now. They do, but they don't the whole thing with you guys. They write rubbish for the comment section. Before they don't drop audio from you, so I put you now hungry for live video. In this streaming platform, when they write and say, remember when they blast for that side. Now if they come my platform, because they write, say, remember we'll fight for Sahara for this kind of stuff. I just say, now say, let's go. Now say, lock up. Then until you can't come here after my life because it quarrel with me. Say, why I call this now? I for calling for Sahara now. Then I say, no, don't do that kind of nonsense. So. This is say no to Europe talk. Your wife, they Europe now. In the misbehave. It go still affect them. So don't bring poster come and say, in get show for Highland, in get show for Verona. So definitely, with the saga Europe tour, I'm not going to leave your wife. You understand? It must affect your wife. Bam. Now so Esther will take come out. Esther say, he want forcing a balls, he go do saga, because if a saga about, you don't say about na politician, about not the saga. About not join. For saga about not join. About na politician. Now political aspect now your day, political guru now about day. When you come to saga, now our work be the one, now we be the specialists. So when me say you want to hold the saga me, you go red, you go raw. Unfortunately, me I know you're going to support the part where you get, including your former boyfriend. What can love with different Verona? I say you see now all of the come out the talk, they call me the beg because I go drag everybody. Everybody will concern you. Your native daughter husband, I go see kind of picture come out. Your native daughter husband, all the more you pregnant, will give you belly, one of those bastards for you. Yeah, go lay here at him. Moi baba with the spine. You will connect for this to be that woto. Alongside with Destiny, with Ebagua. You never see anything. My baba with the smile page is going down. It's down. Now you Destiny, I do one. You know, and you think say I'll leave you. But not the money we don't give you. All the money we don't make for FP Entertainment, I gave you that money. I paid tax for it from abroad here. 1 naira. I never collect that tax. I was paying tax for Destiny, making money on social media. But now the same immigrant or Muslim, the same woman also. I monetize your page without taking one naira from you. All the money we make for FP Entertainment page, I am the one paying tax for it. I am the one sending you the money. The money goes straight to my account. You dey big boy for a dough, but now me the same money can't give you. I lock up. The die your wife. Or no can woman going to go crazy. They insult me. Menu memoir. How they look on. Now today, upon all the suffer where Esther suffer, Esther don't get small money. He raise shoulder. Imagine this small boy, this little boy, where did my platform so? Because of the talent where God give this boy, you do competition, this boy win. Sister, give this boy a motto. It's no problem. Destiny and Esther refuse to give this boy a car. They use the car to fraud Edo people. May they can't do competition, may they pay buy phone, buy ticket, enter house. Then when we finish, car they don't give them. Who they disturb me with call soon? No call you when they talk. Then when he finish to give them the car, it become problem. Today, Destiny is sacked. Today now, Destiny is sacked from government house. The same government house you use as a billboard, as a poster, like to make sure, to let you don't know that your event was legit, was supported by the government, unknowing to it was a fraud. Unknowing to those innocent people that show Edo Hunt Talent was a fraud from Destiny and Esther. They brought a lot of great men. They brought a lot of different great men to come and be the judge. Let me show you guys. Sonny Duke Okoso from ITV was there. Look at the great man that was there. Look at the superstar that was in this occasion. Who will ever tell you, who will ever in your life believe say this kind of party with all these kind of great people there for Edo State, all this kind of celebrity for Edo State, both from Warri, Agoda, Maleke, name it, celebrity from Warri, from Delta, all of the pack on this show, to come grace this show. Who will ever believe that this show has come from Destiny, Ebagua? Who will ever in your life believe upon all the great people, including Chief Omo Osage, who from Palace? Great men from Edo State were in this occasion. Whoever believe or say this kind of mighty show that happened in Edo State this January, say na scam. Say na 419. That Destiny used to do Edo people. That Destiny used to scam Edo son's daughter. Who will ever believe? As we speak, many never still believe say this team must still scam. All the money that was prayed for this show, Destiny and Esther pick all. They don't give these contestants one naira. Apart from those 3 winners, the first person, they say the first person will collect a car, 3 million, plus 5 years record deal. They only give the boy 3 million. Car they don't give him. The second person to go home with 2 million, they give him 2 million. The third person go home with 1 million, they give him 1 million. Bastard. That's all. Mind you, the money where this will make from this show, don't be here. Imagine each of the contestants set the 10 tickets. 10 tickets, 1 million. The 10 tickets will give is 1 million. Or they come with 1 million. If there be 20 contestants, it's 20 million. If there be 30 contestants, 30 million. You must finish your tickets. Drink on. You will invite people come. As you enter the house, drink with the wine when they sell for them for 2,000 naira is 20,000 naira for them. As they perform, the people when they invite come, or call they spray them. All the money when they spray those contestants. Now Esther. After all this one, they don't even look those one. What you promise, fulfill them. And people, Esther decided to give the car back to the boy. And let the boy know, say, if I give you this car, you go drive for 1 year. After 1 year, you return the car back again. Hello? Car where I win. Just like I play naira bets, I win 1 million naira, 1 million euro. Or let's say 500 euro. Then come and say, carry it, take this 500 euro. After you don't use it, finish 1 year time, return the 500 euro again. It happen again. You play naira bet Naija. With your money, you play bet Naija with 1,000 naira. You win 1 million naira. Then bet Naija will give you the 1 million naira. After 1 year, return the 1 million naira again. It happen. Now people they ask, oh, now Destiny hang for the Sian. Don't see the way God to the punish people. Esther don't. Oh, Esther here. Esther don't remember any of them. All the suffer Esther suffer for life with the children. How do they hawk pure water? They go for inside market for Oka markets. All those girls when they call them misbehave for TikTok or social media now. How they hawk pure water? Their trousers here for Nyash where they go marry school. Oh, someone like that renovate the school that year. Where Esther who use and sing, in children use and sing. Then they stay with their grandmother. And their grandmother they give them which those children, those Esther children, those girls, Stephanie, Coco, and the other boy. We do face like masquerades. Now so their mama their grandmother will stay with give them wish, initiate them into witchcraft. Now English can talk as no baby. You understand? Now you can imagine all this suffering where this was suffering. To the extent one can love waiting for Verona. When they walk to Sasco disc. One can love called they help Esther. He called like Esther, called the friend Esther. Esther called switch into one can love. One can love not twins. One can love come abandon his sister, his brother. One can love what can a brother come abroad before. What did Esther not do? Esther used witchcraft and juju by papa. You don't take cash. One can love. To the extent, now Esther, they call the same money from abroad, call they give. The house one can love for hands, one before, one can love not be done again. The evil way Esther don't do. Upon all these things what you do, you constantly find favor in the hands of Edo sons and daughters in the diaspora. Then you come abroad, can't let people in Europe say we're too dirty. You got been with my train station, say women people were there abroad, they're too dirty, they don't know how to bath. If you see them for train station, they're going to smell. We trigger the diaspora people say, you will never enter Europe again. Come here, be the costume for you. Do any show. At least the show you do for Verona will show you, go test you, say, don't fuck with the diaspora people. When they don't raise you up, just be happy. Don't misbehave. If you misbehave, if they leave you, you go fall past ground. And this is the beginning of your downfall, you and destiny. For the evil you have done to Edo people, this is the beginning of your downfall. That's not the fraud we don't do. And your end, maybe this. Destiny was once a human trafficker packing guests to people in Spain that year. Make I begin to talk your story, Destiny. Make I sit down, then narrate your story. How you condemn the Benin industry. The Benin movie industry, you destroy the Benin movie industry by Destiny. The Benin what's it called? Music industry, you destroy it. Destiny, Osawu Ebagua. You condemn the Benin movie industry, you condemn the Benin music industry. You, Destiny Ebagua. And you think say you will go scot-free. You think say Asaboro will visit you one day. How do you feel right now when people will sack you? This show, I tell you, say if you not give this boy when win this show, you don't give her a car, you know no peace. You don't go feel get peace. How they be now? How they be? I agree to Destiny Osawu Ebagua. How far? I they be you now? Yeah, by now. Would you right now? Do what, man? Better sip your beer. I do my drink. How are you? A time of a woman I'm more to lean on Yamoto. There is no way you go to get peace. Why damn you have your when I see life, I get a lot of requests. But when I know what I go bring it up and I come up one after the other. Now me talk, I will bring it. Everybody go talk. Life now lesson. The more you live, the more you learn. As when I pick down my paper. This life we do so nothing day. You both can say Captain Osa was a very wealthy man in Benin. It was a very wealthy man. There was a time when you check Google, the richest man in Benin was Captain Osa. The richest man in Benin that year was Captain Osa. Our king was in the 6th position in Benin that year. 6th position, but this year I never know. I never go for Google. Me, I check how many positions our king did. Captain Osa was once the richest man in Benin. Today, where is Captain Osa Okumbo? Captain Osa is no more. All the house and the money where they day, my people. All the money which you acquire for life, where they day. Where they day. You want to get everything by fire, by force. You want to be a top. See this little guy will come, they sing. Esther don't want to give her a chance. Destiny don't want this boy show. No female artist for Benin. They just want to be the top. Esther want to be on top of Benin. Now only she will just the reign. And you lie. This is your downfall. Why other ones go raise? See, they are cute. They send an EFCC. EFCC send a letter from Abuja, not from Benin. Edo State have EFCC, but they did not send him from Benin, from Edo State. They send him letter from Abuja. Who do one? My Destiny. I know what I'm saying. I said, Destiny call pull her for juju. No, one go back and your petition. If not being write that petition to EFCC. We don't go back. Oh, we know about petition now. Now invited Sila Cute to Abuja. Enemy of the Benin's music industry. Now Destiny Usarugwe Ebagua. Esthéticien, or I mean know you. I mean know every of your movements. Most of the party what they do for those things, they begin to talk. Before you see Sheger's father, they come your party, they call the spray. But na level, na control. If you not get level for Benin, then they close your party. Especially not waiting for Europe. We're not waiting for the diaspora people. So as at the top, now many of them are wicked soul and be. Because of say this girl, when you follow you, they do things. Not a class, they follow you for the evil way you do. If she want to do party, you go the call people for Nigeria, they don't go to that party. To the rest, some of them, they give the contours. May they do. Some of them from here, the same money they give big boys for Nigeria. They don't grace the occasion. I'm saying it clearly to the whole world to know. It's what is going on in Benin. And once they go for Benin, to the extent, people call you, they call you for abroad, say, Babala, go me Destiny Guan, Babala, go me Guru Wala Guan, Babala, go me Tiru Wala, may come a party, yat, we vet a megodori, Babala. If you don't get level, you don't get that, you're not going to go to a party. Now, take for example, as I come there now, I dare here. I dare here, I dare applaud here. One of the see what they have for Benin. And get many of their connection there. All those are part for Nigeria. They were Sheger fathers, may God go bless. Like God go bless them all. Because it's not easy. You go your coppers for Nigeria say, if I don't want to talk this, remember what year? Or you say, if I don't want to, particularly not to invest, if I want to represent you, okay. Shake it, but only if you sorry the IV, you give an IV, you go really go there with your own money. You go there with your money, good one. That's the one from you. And you know what person they do good, you still talking. Which Destiny is doing it well. Person like Destiny, person like ATM machine, look all those Sheger fathers, plenty. You understand? Then they do one. You just can't call the like this. There was no shaking over. I will there here now. We'll be Bini. We'll be Bini. So yeah, let's go. They will really drive go there. They will show the person love like tomorrow nothing. You know what the money for their pockets? Based on the love they get for you. Anyone. Do you know it can't get to a point that before those people will go party, you will call and say, how far is so person like that, but not help me do for this party. They say, which party? As you mentioned, they say, the party, I don't that one, no, go that one. I will not cancel that one. What's happened? Based on how you take day as their party, that you take day, they'll call us to say, that person and this social person, they only play. So in this person, don't call us so they could not go. Women, no. Women. Now be women problem for this abroad. Women, now be women problem for this abroad. Your own fellow woman, say for example, Cynthia, one open hotel for Nigeria. Cynthia and Mary, they're the UK. Cynthia, one open hotel, and Mary, they follow Cynthia, they play. Now, Cynthia already ready for party. Say, this year, January, we they go Nigeria, I want to go open my hotel. Mary go pass back, go call Cynthia for call people for Nigeria. Call they call those Sheger for all those old boo. When they go speak call your party, they'll say our dignity people come your party. You go they call they tell me they don't go to this party. This person a bad person. If you hear what they talk about your back, if you hear what they talk about your back, a bad person, you know how many fake accounts they give they blast for social media. And they support all those presenters, they blast all those Sheger fathers. They go what you don't know. They go spoil your name for your back for them. Those who can't conclude, then they can't conclude, say, oh, but that party so nobody go. All the Sheger fathers go conclude, say, they don't go, they will go. Bam. If they feel so, that's to tell you how wicked are some people from abroad. How do they behave? Now, any party where they say, oh, this one will not go, they don't cancel one. Exactly what happens. So this is still acute. This is acute party. Before the party, this girl pack car. They break the girl mirror, break everything. They go thief, loot everything inside a car. They can't come. To this guy will get accident. They want to try and make sure they coach this girl. This girl not come back, not do that show. As God may do it, To the extent they cancel the show until Cancos men. Because I said Bini, Cancos still get Cancos. After they talk, they know what they talk. They know what they talk. To the extent the guy come to the show now, they say the show still hold the show shock. You know they hold the show, it's shock. I know my guy now, the Desco. I know the Desco, I know how they do things. I know how they do things. Unless the Desco wants to, if you want to for your eye, the Destiny has to boy you out. Destiny, or he has to boy you out, you don't know. If you want to cover your, you know, you can follow the laugh. As the said the guy show shock, boom, and the reporter for ESCC. If to send a normal thing, now been here for the reporter. The reporter straight to Abuja. Straight from Abuja. We do a connection. Now connection now. And that's it runner. Today, as God may have it, that connection is getting down. I get before that, not be good thing. Now they don't sack you. Not be every head that they worry. Not be every head that they worry. If you worry the wrong head, you will end up with shame and disgrace. Follow whom away carry grace. Every time they talk, follow whom away carry grace. See your life with Esther, Destiny. When you never know Esther Edokpayi, your name was not so bad on social media. Everybody they use you to follow road. Destiny Osarugwe, when we Ebagua. Destiny Osarugwe. Destiny Osarugwe, when we Ebagua. Destiny Osarugwe. That was the sing where everybody know you put. Praise and worship. Destiny Osarugwe, when we Ebagua. Destiny Osarugwe. And do you act with working on Lala Zoe? In every nonsense, there's a sense. Pick the sense we decide. Ekinesta mama with all. No what's our bad for. And nonsense I just bad finish. Because I'm a man with all. But as a man, we get sense. Move with woman, marry woman. We go lift you up. No be woman, we go carry you down. Use Okpolo, use Eriri. That's why you need to date before you marry. Esther. Okodan. I'm your way see. I'm your Odan. Esther, I'm proving to the whole world that Esther Okodan. Now, when Destiny, they don't ready to give Destiny appointments for months. They don't issue one. Esther was a Bini. They don't issue Destiny the appointment letter. Babana, when Esther entered Highland last year, and they issue appointment letter, give Destiny. Where Edward and Destiny, they go collect them. They call the use on the paper Esther. Then Esther and Destiny, they don't play. If many of you remember, no be chon chon chon, no be chon chon chon. Say I no be chon chon chon, no be chon chon chon. They call the use on the paper Esther. Edward was doing no be chon chon chon. Now be chon chon chon. All of them forget. Make I remember now. Iye-eki. Umenwan or iye-eki. Now, mind you, Esther and Destiny, they were not a good time because of the saga what happened. When Destiny say make Esther no saga umenwan. Esther can go to insult umenwan. Thank God, see I remember. Even when Esther did life, to the Esther was even insulting Destiny. Because he is a boy. You guys, me, one of the presenter. You guys, a boy. Really, my guy will be. My guy need to obey sharp. We can't win the presenter. He even blocked me. He blocked me in FP Entertainment page where Destiny they make money. I monetize the page. I also said to Destiny, give me your account number, give me your address, your details, everything about you know, about you. Let me use it to help you to monetize this page so that you can be collecting your money. Any money. He said, no. He said, you know, soon, what's your way away? Your way. It's not. Say, your way away. And your way when you know now, why your way when I go allowed, we will make it admit so that they are going to allow. I have to link FP Entertainment with my own platform. Baba with his smile. Where was they make money? Now, it can be like now one person and I get MP Entertainment and Baba with a smile. So the only difference between me and him now say money going if like let's say $5,000 did the account, then FP Entertainment make $2,000. But when they spend make $3,000, or everything make $500. But when they spend make $4,500, you go to see him, me go to see him. You understand? And the two of us be pay out admin for inside. So at the end of the day, money goes straight to my account, Europe account. When the money enter my Europe account, now $2,000 be Destiny own, I will count $2,000 straight to Nigeria. I'll come transfer now to your account for Nigeria. That's what they mean. Who they pay tax put na me? And my paper dey inside, and my tax code, everything. My code chief fiscal, everything I can register the accounts. You understand? So if they want collect money for inside, now me they pay tax put. And my money when they collect, I must make sure in $2,000 complete given. Now when the wife come tell and say, make it block me, after the wife don't insult me for social media, come blast it at the wife. Because me not go beat that one, and the husband go beat. The useless Destiny we don't get sense, we allow your wife to insult me. You may have this way. You understand? Then, know what Destiny do? Destiny have to terminate my page, which is Baba with the spine. After terminating my page, block me from WhatsApp. He blocked me from WhatsApp. The same page where they make money. When a month, they'll get like $4,000. $4,000, $3,000. Destiny terminates that page. He carried that page because I make an admin for this so that you're going to see the money with this. Make a transparency. Then I feel what's here. A Destiny now block it. Till today as we speak, about what is my page? Monetized page is condemned here. It's not get paid out again. Destiny I do. That last year. I call Destiny. Somebody connects me with Destiny. To do that, I go beat him and I go expose him. One woman for UK confessed me with Destiny. Because remember, you and this guy, I'm blood. I see they play with it now. I beg. I call the woman and say, see what happen. The woman say, okay, no worry. Destiny say, no, no worry, you go do him back. As we speak today. Destiny don't know back. Why? Boss. I'm not going to discount what Destiny is there. I don't give that woman that respect. I just serve that woman that respect. See, as it be, I don't feel like I disrespect this woman. You understand? I think you hire Kenini. Let me quick pause. I let the woman also see what Destiny. After a month, I still call him and say, Mama, Destiny not revive my page back. And that page, you don't know how to make money. And they pay tax put. They collect money for inside my account put for that piece. So, but Destiny, the woman say, baby, I see the way the woman talk. Now born. I lock up. I see and say, now man, we woman they control. Now man, we woman they control. See, no man for this life, we woman not they control, but you get the way you take position yourself. You feel manage your ass. Both indoor and publicly. Now, Destiny, as we just see and so, now mass, we know the Destiny. Wowa. Now, okbia, equamo. Destiny, better equamo. Today, now, see the way God take pay. This boy, when I see my plan also, Esther, go sue this boy for court. As me and the talk to, this boy was sue. Make I give him the sue letter. Vous le temps, vous prove. Viens pour vous la. This is sue letter from Esther lawyer. He sued this boy. He said because the boy go talk for social media. He said that the boy then go and play us for the sagaram for bullying and harassment. You understand? He sued this boy for court. Now you know carry motor to give the boy. Now you still go sue the boy. I want you to be fear. At the end of today now, where you call play of God Destiny? How market? You see uno the cry of that other woman, the tears with that woman shared that day. I go hunt you till you die. Until you give this boy a car. You and Esther will know no peace. Iye-eki wa here dere. Iye-eki e wa here dere. How market now? They never sack you now. That power when they shock you when they raise go up. They go me house. They go me house. Oh, power! They go me house. How market? That's what we see am. Now so we see am. How market? Me where they here so. Bena Mozwo. I know how many cars don't dash give person for that Benin. For that Benin, me no Mozwo. Immigrant, dirty immigrant. Impo me da ya Tony. We me down when I have built to. All of the day by 4 years. I don't have the even see am. Day by 4 years. You get my point now. This blind guy, I want to say that the drive car. That blind boy, so Kevin, over here, where I played song just now. I believe so now, see him. The seniors are going to be Ebagua art. You have, if you give if you don't want it, you collect 2,000 naira for their hand. Froster. You give them 1 naira, you collect 2,000 naira for their hand. That will not be Ajebor. Ajebor, you came up with the idea of a don't want talent to hunt the Edo people and grab their money. And the next thing you said, make this boy keep quiet, make him not talk. You want to do part 2? You say you want to do part 2. Make this boy can't do advert for you for part 2. You want to money here. You want to money here. You want to advert to do it. Here. Now little problem. Any cow, or you know where destiny will be Ebagua. Or then where they will tell you, any cow here disgrace you publicly, one after the other. And you think so people don't see all this thing? I be not here when the people will say in the watch social media, in the learn from about self. You think say God don't watch our videos, or you think say this person not there Ogio Baga Dibofi, and Dibofi there they listen. In brother there they listen, they watch. They see what they go on, what they don't hear, what they don't see for their eye. They go hear on the platform with proof and evidence. They're gonna know what to do. They're not gonna tell you. The way they use fake account, they watch me. How many people governors they use fake account, they watch this video. Now so they put they use fake account, they watch the video. Now so police they use fake account, they watch the video. That's why they came with English so that they're going to understand what is happening in their own states. You're going to do something when it's not right, they will correct you, you go say no. I say, yeah, now you are sacked. When my like do, and we don't live Benin for them. Any bad thing we're going to do for the Benin, we're going to come out for social media. Maybe the whole world hear how evil and demon are. Marema, you don't understand. See this guy now. This little girl will just grow up. This little girl, when they come up, the tears of that mother must haunt you. The tears of that woman must haunt you till you die. Because I know so that you go write that petition. Me confirm man. I know what you can do now. All the name of the people who did for ESC custody for Benin. Then they measure when you tell me destiny. Destiny. Osagwe. A musician already near ESC. Umaya. Did you tell them? When a Boston Kelly Okumbawa was arrested by EFCC, when you all went there to go and release a Boston for ESC or Ga office for Edo State Zoom, you don't know how many musician names we did there. You don't know how many musician videos we did there, even including your own destiny, Ebagua. Did you tell any of them? What was your plan? Destiny. I do my drink. How are you? Let's kick the stage. We don't get many requests. If you are coming, contribute and drop. As you climb up, give your own contribution, drop so that person will still talk. A lot of requests they grant. I greet you. As you climb up, you don't
Frank, I greet you.
I must greet you, so as
I greet you. A picture of the movie. I'm making now. I'm going to picture on your office in your. So therefore, one thing okoni where upe I utomi because if ni awe bo any obalagbon ya imoto ni mamune ni de ba oge de na no wa hi egbe na okoni where e de de ya ti ebo. So therefore, a not really me, or you or soon me ene. So therefore, you have to face the everything is sold for. You have to buy.
Hello.
Or I will say, man, mood for now.
What? Joy Agro. You want to contribute? Okay. Yeah, quite drop on contribute. Queen. Egbe. Okay. I will not him. Make quite drop him one after the other. Madam Igo
Wa drop me my wa no.
I must greet you.
Go.
What?
Go rami. Da family me o pe odion. E mo tota.
What?
Ikata ma wedere na itaya no iye-eki. E ba no roda o. Ya mo ya ri. Ya mo ya di to. Ori maka me. Me sokwo na be din a. Obi tari no ga no na ma. Eyan pa no o. Ona gle awon bobo. Oya yin mi jimani. Iga avie. Edede na vie nwe kwa. Okwo na vie nwe kwa na ona ati ebo. Owe gbegbe. Ona awon bobo ni ona the first one. Owe the other boy ni ana aso to cut awon bobo already wa ya claim ya fe. Iyen ke no kere yen gbo e. Atesin egbo ma. Ona pa atama e. Kaya yin je. Won bobo EFCC ni. O ma emi e ne kere no ya gwalo mege. Yen ta mo ya wo ma na ya wo sike wegbe. Èyí tá ma wa manikin omo nga tá ma we ke ni kere fun pa ma we ke wari ma wa sike gbe kakabo e go ko are boy ni e broda ni o ma mu moto na ni ya yin ya e bo bi ogbo se be gbon ri ata se Ebagua kore gbe me ya ti eni ni Mr. ma pa me se Mr. won gbenu kere wo bi o gan wa ya ni o gan ri ta se irame good morning.
Thank you very much. So, it means that maybe my one is children. But when I do the writing, I'm not with the writing. And I see sorry. Jealousy because you carry Esther voice. Now this one just little. Deo, Moge, Ididire.
La o muere ya vie la owo.
But permit me to say this. The
Okay,
fact remains that we shouldn't allow some certain things to escalate first before we start knowing or start recognizing that this thing might get to everybody, and as a matter of fact, it's actually involving everybody. So please, I want to say something here. I said the enemy of Edo Entertainment, and I mean it when I say the enemy of Edo Entertainment. You don't want to make it say any rise for the industry. I'm not saying this to create any kind of thing. Please, from now, especially these young girls, I'll be giving these young girls who are just coming up. They should all be careful because the enemy of Edo Entertainment is after all of them. These young girls will just come up soon. So please, and if you don't see anybody who say don't say I did the industry, he can't come about bring the FCC case. Say maybe they hold on. My people, now lie yo, go check na demo. Nah, them be that. They'll come back and go see the EFCC case. If you like, I'm saying this to protect everybody. And I'm saying this in a kind of way so that everybody will actually understand what is going on there. There are people in this industry who feel entitled that whatever you do before or whenever or anytime you want to do anything, you must come to them. You must bow down to them.
Bam.
The enemy of Edo Entertainment is after everybody must come to him and bow down. And he not reached by the grace of God. So please, I'm saying this and I'm making this video not to create any kind of awareness again. We are still on this very matter by the grace of God. Still accused. She will be going to the EFCC to answer the summons because she's a law-abiding citizen. By the grace of God, she will come out victorious because this shall be a stepping stone to our next level. Amen. So thank you all. I'll give you guys more updates. God bless you all.
I will see what we are born.
Okay.
Now walk with
Yeah, man.
What up, Pawata? Wahala for the do. They don't want you. You don't need to stress yourself. Your tears and your cause don't really work. Under 4 days. Ebor didn't not see now all sucking destiny. Ebor wona ye veyati. All log destiny go Ebagua. Iye-eki, lady of evil. Wa mo ebiku abedi owa. Iye-eki ni kede ina iye-eki ni yebede salobwa wese begbe ede amu pian pian otikia fe otikpa. Iye-eki ni kede ina iye-eki ni yebede salobwa wese begbe. Iya o me yuhere kere ni vega semoka. Udazi bini. Fear or not fear them. You see what they do? They use deputy governor as a point of contact to reach out to their doors to show say the show not legit show or knowing it's a scam. If ya our market, hello sakana, sakay, where ella webo, now come abroad. You go prison. You my advice, you know, or your gather money. You gonna go ya bezo. Wa gather. Wa all king wa do ya department we bu. Wa ro wa we muna. What do busy man? You finish. Say you want the gun. We are here. Guess what, people? Guess my people. Guess what? We are here. Lady of song is here. Yeah, here. It's saga. Our mumu don't do. We don't quiet follow you for so long. It is not going to play game. It's not going to play game. Say no to Europe tour. Europe, oh, don't knock. Europe, oh, don't knock. As in knock, when we come up with another idea of Edo Hunt's talents to fraud the innocent Edo people. How market? That one now, it doesn't. Amazwa, why are you knocking everything? Amazwa, why you they knock everything? People will say, I mean, they like to do batting. Now, batting I do. I talk the truth now, batting. Is it good say this young boy where Esther and Destiny fraud? So it makes sense. They rip the boy. More to they don't give him. Now by force to sign record label with you. Now so they do mobile, I will take that mobile. The guy say no need record label. Give her a month to make her go. It on Wahala. You want go the record label. A rules and regulation. No the record label here. Or too much be. How can somebody they work for you? So you go to collect 70%, you go to collect 30%. Like seriously? Where do they do that one? Now TikTok you be. Are you TikTok? Now let TikTok that can't happen. TikTok will collect 70%, you're going to give 30% to the people they do the TikTok. It's so saggy. Oh, we need Jesus. You hear ni nego semoke. Ekuega from wanga gizozu. You menu yagogo hunda. Moete bite. Amu herio wa oh. Ye kedi ina we do ye kedi ye we de saloba wese buwe. Iya o me you here ekere ni nego semoke. Ekuega from wanga gizozu. You menu yagogo hunda. Moete bite. Amu herio wa oh. Don't be lie. Can you just imagine? God is powerful. Destiny now. Until dresses, sit down for government house, government office. Somebody no redo. Here problem. A frauding, a bribing, a corruption. A story destiny. Oh we are. I typho. Hey, I typho. Oh, pause. Oh, we are going to have a reserve. I said, man, me when I get reserve. Me when I shut up and get reserve. You hear me? I said, okay, yes, sir. I know, yes, sir. I'll keep quiet now. I won't talk much. Yeah, ma, we men no. Or so, nyeme. Or we say. Or we say. More boy. Almost more boy. Men no. Or so, more boy. Almost ya wu eba. Me ko wana gma wu. Bi me ya fian wu. Ada bi be me fian wu. You don't understand. Hey, ba me wu bagun. Wa gba. Mo na erudu. Aya pompi. Wu ma mu mu ine. Na gba. Oni me. Sister Benny me wu o se we get ma gba. Oh, this guy is painful. Oh, we tell her battery a saga. Na ya ye dodo. Ododo me. Amegba pe kan na nu kan yake onwe. Ododo me. Amegba pe kan na gu pon ni yagwe o. Oyuhe. Uganyuhe, meganyuhe nu we u. Obono bo mu gba pe kan hun na mo nya. Oyuge. Ododo we no. Ododo me. Amenya pe kan na ododo yagwe o. Oyuge. Asipaka. A market. Whenever they have a questa. Now, where? When in the way I don't want to say, Wapa. When in the way I don't know, you be making your market. I don't change when you wobble. Or what do I get? What's sexy? What do you get away? Opona ye Kenya star, that be code star. Opona ma to the baba. Hey, ya makoro wonderful. Opona ma be okay. Opona we be like be hoy. Oh, egbe hobo. Esther. Vedera zobuse, ira ti gba ogewe. Wonderful. Oh, let me go sisi. Obedode. Oh, Abu Gori. Ona gbobiri. Oya de bagbori. Ana hoda for you na. Oh, gbobiri. E sister ya de bagboni. Ina le da fun obo to you na. E cut the way de but that's sister. O ma working. E ga no ma de bagboni, ama wo e. E desi you na. Sister ya de bagboni. Ina hoda for you na. Oh, very sorry, my sister. What a sorrowful thing. It's so painful. Oh God. Sister ya de bagboni. Ina hoda for you na. Ina da bobo ta fun boy to. Yeah. And for the gifts. Baby girl. Ms. Eva. Ms. Eva.
Sorry, sir. I did watch my mistake. I take care.
Okay, no problem. Hi, everybody. Easy. Easy or not? Easy someone. I'm busy with them. Easy more you now here. Hey, sweet mother Gist TV, I greet you. I be here now. MB John. Jonaro. Okay. When I get academy, we not get mad, not climb up. This saga why they do not get mad, not climb up. You understand? If you not get mad, not climb up for this saga. You say that's naive. That's if you go assassinate your family for Nigeria. You understand? If you don't say not get mad, no need to send requests. No come here because they make maths. At the end of the day, they go buy your family for Nigeria. Say you can't talk of my platform. But like me, as me did, I mean, I found out rejected, mother rejected, community abandoned, family rejected. Or when Jesus Christ, you the man they born America and not sent. What now want talk? I must still talk. Sweet Mothers Gist TV, I must greet you. Umenwan wedo what? You get my point now. So if you not get mad, if you mistake send request, cancel your request. You should not do that to people up. Unless you get tangible word to say. You can say, okay, you have to say, you get mad, you mad up. Say me come up. What?
Please, I was just on my own and I received a call from Silacute.
This is a video with this woman, Silacute. Hold on. Hold on. This is a video with Silacute and Stanley O. Iyona, the young icon. This is a video with Agbiwen. I bet we they call Sanoma Esewe. And this is a video with Silacute and Influence Akaba. With the way this is going now in Edo State, it's like Influence is trying to bring up this girl. You understand? And we should not go down with destiny. Now let's go further. We do my little analysis on what I think. It might be true, it might not be true. What I want to talk now, what I not get evidence of. Then at least you know. What I want to talk now what I not get proof of. You understand? If you know what is going on in Benin music industry now, it's like they don't separate themselves. They did an election about Pima, whereby qualified upper musician voted Esther Edokpayi as the winner of Pima. Esther clamored as the governor of Pima. Now, if you look at that video, Influence Akaba is not there. It's like influence and the rest of other bodies have their own. They are doing their own thing. They are not supporting Pima. They are not paying homage to Pima. Whereby now Esther is now the governor of Pima. He's trying to use his office now to oppress those women who are not paying homage to her. Based on as a governor of Pima, before you do anything, you have to go and take permission from the governor. No go to see where this OC they go. Oh man, no more. Me I drink beer. Me I want to drink water. How are you? Watch that video now. Don't fear. Want to share this video? If you want call. You are free. Hello. All right. Yeah. Me want go. Okay. Okay, we're raw. Body. Okay. Oh, okay. That's 3I. Yes. Let's speak up. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, on a me answer that can't me go now. As that can't no go really young beer. Very important. Yes, that can't me. That's I can't nobody know Nigeria. I can't go. Okay. You won't understand. At least me, yeah, me. Okay, what are about? We'll be working. That's how we have a very stubborn boy. Okay. Thank you. Wato. Yàrá kan ti gbónú ya sábẹ́ o. Ní kò yà àwọn bí ẹ. Kò bí ẹ fún the bí ẹ fún. Iye kò ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ na ya ká. Okay, ya àwọn juice. Eru ti bana me na ebi ya me go eru ti won. Sugar akwa àwọn eru ti na flush avec sugar de quoi. Yes. We'll see. They continue the program. Understand? All right. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Lisa.